I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the desktop Word app and a document. This is necessary because some settings only appear in app. Next, click File, then choose Account or Options. Different Word versions place theme settings differently. Once you reach Account, look for Office Theme. If you open Options, select General and find Personalize. These are the exact controls that toggle dark versus bright appearance. So pause here until you see those labels before moving to the theme selection step. Now that you're in the theme controls, select a bright option. Choose white for maximum brightness or colorful for a light, branded look. Once selected, click OK or Apply. Word should update instantly, but sometimes the document canvas stays dark due to page color settings, so check view switch modes if necessary. If the theme change didn't propagate, close and reopen Word to force the UI to refresh. This step ensures both the ribbon and workspace reflect the bright mode you selected. Finish by confirming the document page itself is bright. Go to Design, then Page Color, and pick white if needed. This resolves dark document canvas even after theme change. If darkness remains, verify your system appearance. Windows or Mac OS dark mode can override some app elements, so switch system appearance to light and then reopen Word. Finally, if nothing changes, update Office or restart your machine. Updates and restarts fix corrupted settings and ensure your bright mode sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.